What's up? So, I think I found a new content thing. It's not video games, it's not basketball, it's not just live streams. I mean, I might live stream, but it's just woodworking and all that. And then my dog, because everyone loves dogs. Who doesn't? He's kind of autistic, not gonna lie. Okay, so this staple that I'm sitting at right now, I made this yesterday, and I don't really have that much wood and stuff, so yeah. And then we got that, we have all this, that's really messy. My dad hasn't cleaned it, so I just made myself a new table. But, yeah, I've made a Father's Day gift for my dad. It's like a wood knife. It actually I'm making another one right now. Yeah, it takes forever since I'm not using power tools since it's early in the morning. But yeah, so that's basically the setup. Over there, those two grills right there, one of them is for my cousin James, and the other one is for my other cousin Connor for Father's Day. My grandma bought them because maybe they'll take good care of it because it's theirs, because they don't really take good care of it. My grandma's one, I like the grill, which she had two, but the good one got broke by the storm. I don't remember how long ago that storm was, but it was a little while ago. Yeah. So, today's video, I'm just going to start working on this knife. And yeah, probably not going to go the best. It doesn't work like that. I need the other clamp. Oh man. Okay. Right now we're over at the anvil clamp because it works better than every clamp in here that clamps onto my table. Oh my god. So, since I'm not using power tools right now, this can't get finished because I make it look like it has an edge on it with my sand. And yeah. Up, my keyboard just fell. I have to finish this. Y'all alright? That was kind of hard fall. Might start working on the handle. I got this done faster yesterday when I had my power tool. I made 3 things yesterday. Yeah. Don't ask what I'm doing. I'm just moving down my stuff. Ow. And hurting myself looks like it. Okay. This probably isn't going to be the best looking one I've made. You know what? I might just start from scratch. Buckets. Okay, now so I'm going to be starting a shop once I get a little better at woodworking and get actual resources, because right now I don't have any, and that's what the shop is for, so I can buy more wood and stuff. But it's going to be called Hawkins Workshop. The logo is going to be a W with an H in it, and then 2 circles where the W and H are circled. And there's going to be a hammer and nails. It sounds autistic. But my shop's going to go desk, table, chairs, cutting boards, and all that. And if you want a custom thing, you can just email or call. The number is going to be up whenever we make the shop. But if you leave a comment saying you want something, I can comment back to you, tell you my email, see if you can give me your address and all that, and then I can send it to you, whatever you want. And yeah, the money payment method's going to be kind of weird because I don't have a credit card. My sister does. And yeah, so we might just have to use PayPal and stuff like that. But I don't know yet. Good. Got this part, yeah. Okay, whenever I clap, it's gonna magically go into the vise. Ready? Boom, what did I say? Oh, yeah. Hey, I'm autistic. This is what the handle is gonna be, so handle mark. Then, so with the blade, we want it to be kind of curved, like this. As you now. And yes, I'm going to speed up all the sawing process. Oh, my hands hurt. Forgot. I really wish it was on later. Now, we got the point. That wasn't professional. Now we've got this. So, with the blade part, I don't know where I want to cut it to make the blade. There's going to be more parts to this and all that, but yeah, this was basically just a studio tour and get started, so this will be part 1. Yeah, see you guys later.